If you're anything like me, keeping my garage in order is a serious challenge. This heavy-duty power tool organizer is making a huge difference. Right out of the box, the metal felt really solid and not flimsy at all. It took about 45 minutes to assemble and then about another 15 minutes just to cut the French cleat to go on the back of it from my pile of old hardwood floors. It is sturdy, durable, and it actually supports up to 600 pounds. It has space for 12 drills, plus it has 3 rows of shelves that are 49 inches wide. It has seriously freed up so much space on my workbench, and it has made everything easier to find and to reach. If you're working with a French cleat setup, or you're just tired of your garage being disorganized, this organizer has made all the difference. If you are interested in this tool organizer, I'm going to put the link for that one down in the description below.